This is Lakshman Rao from Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh, India. Today I'm talking about repotting mixture, which is made by shell lime. Here mainly 5 pots or 5 main ingredients are required to make this repotting mixture. One is red soil, another is manure, anything like cow manure, buffalo manure or chicken manure. In our language, this is called as penta. And the third ingredient is shell lime, and the fourth ingredient is coconut peat or peat moss, and the fifth ingredient is vermicompost. Here, when you see here in this first ingredient, 2 pots or 2 buckets of 2 gallons of red soil, and the second ingredient is 4 pots or 4 buckets of 4 gallons of manure, which is either a chicken manure, cow manure or buffalo manure. In some places they call it garden loam or compost. In our language they call it as penta. Third ingredient which is there is in shell lime of 1.5 kilo, 1.5 kg. When you see here the second ingredient, the manure, which is like cow manure or chicken manure, which is actually in high pH, very acidic. When you use this directly onto the plants, and the plant roots simply they die. So like for reducing this pH level in the manure, what you use this shell lime in this ingredient. Now what happens is, like when you use this shell lime with this in this mixture, the acidity, the pH level drops. Shell lime acts like this. Shell lime use 1.5 kg as the third ingredient, and the fourth ingredient is 1 pot or 1 bucket or 1 gallon of coconut peat or peat moss. Why you use this coconut peat or peat moss is because for root aeration, light and fluffy, and plants can easily survive with never get any problem with the roots. And the fifth ingredient which I'm telling is like half kg of vermicompost. Why use vermicompost in all this? Because it's one single drop is enough for the whole milk to become curd or yogurt. This half kilo is just enough for all this particular mixture to become organic. And the plants simply like this by adding this vermicompost. My 5 ingredients are red soil, manure, manure, shell lime, and coconut peat, and the vermicompost. Here with this all this mixture, you can make a perfect mixture for the repotting mixture. When you use shell lime in the repotting mixture, 2 main problems will be solved. One is overwatering and another is without watering. Overwatering is like you pour more water and the water simply doesn't dry immediately. So what happens is, next is like the roots which are there with the plants, they rot and the plant simply dies. That problem will be can be solved by using this shell lime. And the second problem is like no watering. If anybody forgets to water the plants and the plant simply dies because of that problem can also be solved by using the shell lime. Both these 2 problems can be solved by using shell lime. Thank you very much.